This week in space, from a fresh Starship flight, to a rusty turtle on Mars, to a nebula shaped like the Statue of Liberty. Here are the highlights. SpaceX launched Starship on its 13th test flight, lifting off from Starbase in Texas. The company corrected several issues from the previous flight and deployed working satellites from the vehicle for the very first time. Back in the year 185, Chinese astronomers recorded a brilliant new star that stayed visible for months. We now know it was a supernova. This glowing shell of debris, called our CW86, is what remains of that ancient blast. On its way to Mars, one of NASA's twin Escapade spacecraft turned around and snapped a family portrait. Earth and the Moon together, from over 360,000 miles away, in both visible and infrared light. The International Space Station welcomed 3 new crew members this week. Expedition 74 engineers Anna Kikina, Pyotr Dubrov, and NASA's Anil Menon celebrated their arrival aboard the orbiting lab, cake included. Is it a fossilized turtle on Mars? Nope. The Curiosity rover spotted this layered rock outcrop that looks just like a tortoise, but spans about 15 meters, far bigger than any turtleback on Earth. In a distant star-forming cloud, bright young stars are carving out a shape that looks strikingly like the Statue of Liberty. Astronomers call it NGC 3576, a stellar nursery lighting up the southern sky. The new U.S. and Indian NISAR satellite aimed its radar at Antarctica and revealed a mountaintop poking through a river of ice in an image that looks uncannily like a hummingbird frozen in flight. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory unveiled a stunning new view of Messier 94, a bright spiral galaxy. Scientists even turned its data into sound, letting you hear the galaxy's glowing rings and core. That is your week in space. From ancient supernovae to brand new rockets, the cosmos never sleeps. Subscribe and keep looking up, and we will see you next week.